Struggling with frizz, dull hair, or no volume? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, we're diving into the easiest and most effective hair care hacks that will transform your hair routine effortlessly. From DIY treatments to everyday tips, these hacks are perfect for achieving that healthy, shiny hair glow. Let's get started. Number 1. Overnight hair treatment. Apply aloe vera gel to your scalp and hair lengths before bed. Wrap your hair in a silk scarf for intense hydration and shine. Why it works: aloe vera soothes the scalp and promotes hair growth while locking in moisture. Number 2. Dry shampoo alternative. Use cornstarch mixed with cocoa powder for dark hair as a natural dry shampoo. Why it works: it absorbs oil and refreshes hair without chemicals. Number 3. Instant volume boost. Flip your hair upside down and blow dry for 30 seconds after applying a lightweight styling product. Why it works: it creates long-lasting volume without needing heat tools. Number 4. Coconut oil for frizz control. Rub a small amount of coconut oil on your palms and smooth it over your hair to tame frizz. Why it works: coconut oil locks in moisture and adds shine without weighing hair down. Number 5. Tea rinse for shiny hair. Use black or green tea as a final rinse after shampooing. Why it works: tea enhances shine and improves hair texture by closing the hair cuticles. Number 6. Silk pillowcase swap. Sleep on a silk pillowcase to reduce friction and prevent hair breakage. Why it works: it protects hair from damage and maintains smoothness overnight. Number 7. Ice water rinse. Finish your shower with a blast of ice-cold water on your hair. Why it works: it seals the hair cuticle, making it shinier and less prone to damage. Number 8. Rice water hair mask. Soak rice in water overnight, strain it, and use the water as a mask. Why it works: rice water is rich in vitamins and minerals that strengthen and repair hair. Number 9. DIY heat protectant. Mix aloe vera gel and a few drops of argan oil as a natural heat protectant. Why it works: it creates a barrier against heat damage while nourishing the hair. Number 10. Dead angle with conditioner. Use a wide tooth comb in the shower after applying conditioner to dead angle without breakage extra. It is only for curly hair girlies. Why it works: wet hair is easier to manage and less prone to knots. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope these hair care hacks help you achieve the healthy, gorgeous hair you've been dreaming of. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends.